Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. I'm Clara.
And I'm Jake. And today we're wrapping up our Paw Potion mini-series with a very special guest.
She's the author behind Pet Care with Essential Oils and Their Friends, and a true pioneer in natural skincare and animal aromatherapy. Please welcome Jan Benham.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm really happy to be here.
Jan, let's start at the beginning. What inspired you to write a book about essential oils for pets?
It really came from my work with clients and their animals. I kept seeing skin problems, anxiety, even fleas being treated with harsh chemicals. I wanted to offer a safer, more natural way, one that respected the animal's body and senses.
And what I love is how practical your book is. You don't just say, avoid this. You show people how to make their own pet shampoo, flea sprays, paw salves.
Exactly. I wanted it to be a toolkit, not just a warning label. And as I always say, less is more. Animals are incredibly sensitive to scent, especially cats.
Speaking of cats, we talked about that in episode 5, how some essential oils can be dangerous. Can you share a bit about what oils you do feel comfortable using?
Yes, for dogs, I often use lavender, Roman chamomile, and sometimes frankincense essential oil, but always in very low dilution. For cats, I stick to hydrosols. Rose, chamomile, or frankincense hydrosols can be wonderful. And the sniff test is so helpful. Let them guide you.
That was such a fun part of episode 5, holding a bottle nearby and watching the pet lean in or walk away. It really changes the dynamic, doesn't it?
Absolutely. It's about partnership, not control. And animals are very intuitive. They know what they need.
Have you seen this work in real life? Any memorable cases?
So many. I had one client with a rescue dog who was terrified of storms. Just a gentle mist of lavender hydrosol on his blanket before bed made a huge difference. No sedation needed, just comfort.
That's amazing. And it really speaks to the power of nature when used respectfully.
Before we go, is there one thing you wish every pet owner knew?
Yes, that natural doesn't mean careless. Just because something is plant based doesn't mean it's automatically safe for animals. Learn, dilute, observe. And, when in doubt, less is more.
Jan, thank you so much for joining us. It's been a real treat to have your wisdom and experience on the show.
And for everyone listening, you can find Jan's book, Pet Care with Essential Oils and Their Friends, at aromashoppe.com. If you're in Canada, head to anareshealth.ca.
Until next time, stay curious, stay natural.
And give your furry friend an extra cuddle from us.